Hey there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and this video we will see a simple example of using constructors in Java. This video is in continuation with the last video. If anyone wants to refer about what is a constructor and the rules for creating constructors, can watch the video. The link for the same is provided in the description. So let's convert the same example conversion that we have seen in one of the videos. Again, the link is over here in the suggested links for you. And this example we had created where we have a class. It has methods input data, convert case that converts the case of a line, convert method that returns the reverse of a number, a display method that displays the converted case and the reversed number, and then a main method where we create the objects of the class. Now, this function was used only to initialize the data members of the class. So instead of having input data, I can write conversion, the name same as the class name, remove the return type. You can just write conversion, everything else remains the same. So you can see creating a constructor is so simple. Name same as the class name, remove the return type, it takes the members of the class, initialize the data members of the class, and then of course this gives an error because we cannot initialize this way. So then I'll be moving this down, and now we will be passing in the s comma num to this constructor only directly. Rest all remains the same, finding the reverse, converting the case of a word, and everything else remains the same. Just the input function is changed for the constructor. So whenever you have questions which says create a class with the name, with data members, constructor to initialize data members of the class. If it takes parameters, then provide the parameters, initialize the data members with the values passed to the parameters. Remember to write str equal to s and not vice versa. Convert case, again it's a method which converts the case of the value passed in str. Again the convert returns the reverse of a number, and then I just display the values. Taking the input from the user, creating the object of the class, passing in the values and calling the display function. If in case it's not asked to take the input from the user, alternatively you can omit these steps and you can also just say, so this will save your time when you're solving the papers, and I can just say hello world and you can pass a number. So you can also do this. So this will save your 4 lines to write. Also it will save time for variable listing. So you can just write, create the object of the class, pass in the values, call the function. The variables are initialized because this statement calls the constructor of the class, initializes the data members of the class. If I save and if I run again, you would see hello world converted case and 8789 reverse. So again this runs the same, just that now we have removed the input method and used constructor to initialize the data members of the class. That's all for this video. Happy learning, take care and bye-bye.